What's good, family? Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. So, this has been one of those weeks where I'm just fitting it in where I can. Life has been lifing, and right now I've just been squeezing little pockets of time where I can to get out in the garden, whether it's doing a harvest here and there, just as it's ripe. We don't have time for no big, pretty harvest. We need to get it when it's done and or either just swapping stuff out, pulling stuff out that I'm tired of or hasn't been producing like it should because we have been getting rain and storms pretty much every day for the past couple of days. And with all this rain, we might get 2 or 3 hours of time where I can actually get out in the garden. Also, school's getting ready to start. So the little's getting ready for eighth grade now. And that means back to school shopping for supplies, uniforms, hair, doctor appointments, and all of that fun stuff. Originally, I had planned this video to be just dropping my fall seeds, but with all of the rain, I had to pull the tub of potatoes. They were due to be harvested soon, and I didn't want to lose the entire tub because of all the water that's just accumulating in the bottom of the tub, even though it does have drain holes. It's just way too much rain falling. All my fall crops are going to be directly sown in the green stalks. Also, I had to cover and reseed my bush beans and cover the sweet potatoes because the groundhogs got into them. They will not let me be great this year, but I'm not giving up. I also had to cover the bottom half of the cucumbers because they had started eating those leaves as well. They've already eaten my paprika pepper, a jalapeno pepper, and two Cali Wonder peppers, and some of the original Swiss chard. They just greedy. So I'm also thinking what I'm going to do for next year so I don't have this problem until I can catch them and have them relocated to the upper room. So for fall, I plan on dropping gourmet blend lettuce, black seeded Simpson lettuce, and red romaine. I'm also going to drop giant red mustards, Georgia collards, some red Russian and Siberian dwarf kale, bok choy, and pak choy. I'm also going to try golden Detroit and Detroit red beets again. I've never had success with those, but I'm not giving up. Last time I tried, I got a lot of greens, but no roots. And that probably was because I was having help from the little girl, and she loves her some 511 when she's watering. She is no longer allowed to touch the 511, and I must be out there with her when she's watering. I'm not planting the bottom tier of the green stalks. I'll do that later in the fall because that'll be reserved for my garlic. All right, now let's get out in the garden and get busy. right, guys. Thanks for hanging out in the garden with me this week. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know down in the comments what you're planning to drop for fall in your gardens or what you've already dropped. Talk to you later, family. Bye bye.